knows when. I'm excited because this is my birthday weekend. Well, the weekend before my birthday. My birthday is on Monday, so we're gonna be having some fun. I don't even know what to wear. I think I've just been out of it for the whole month, and it always happens where my birthday sneaks up on me. But Sam says he's going to be planning this birthday, so I'm gonna look forward to it. Like, I'm really excited. Calm down, Lex, calm down. Let's just get ready. I think I'm going to go on the road to get some of my stuff dry cleaned. I'm also going to wash my hair because it needs to wash and then cane real quick, and then see what today brings. Last year I never planned anything, and he planned and it came out. Oh, chef's kiss. So I'm looking forward to what he has in store this year, and I'm just gonna sit back and relax. So I'm off to meet with Sam. I'm also going to get my stuff dry cleaned and run a couple errands. So catch you guys soon. Sam is doing a drop off, and I'm gonna get gas at Beechwood, and then we're probably going to get some food. I'm not sure where, but he is controlling the entire day. So I've been calling around. Apparently there's no same day dry cleaning service. I don't know what I was even thinking, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, because unless I just wash it and hope to God that it don't mash up. Yay me. I don't even know why I even bother, because I never said I wanted no surprise. I said I wanted to not have to plan, and he has literally made it his non-aligned duty to surprise, to the point where I don't even know where we're going, what we're doing, and when.
But I mean, you have an idea.
No, I don't. I don't.
You say you don't want to go nowhere that's 2 hours away. You don't want the long driving. That narrows it down quite much. You say you don't want to go to places you've already been before. That narrows it down a little bit more.
That's
So you have a little idea.
I really
We're
do
going
not.
to a beach.
Okay.
And we're not going to the places that we've been before. And we're not going for more than 2 hours in a trip.
Take the hint.
Take the hint.
Sorry, you're
All I
trying to
can help you
try.
out. All I can do is help you out. Whether it's a beach or a pool, get touch the water.
Okay. Catch you back.
You got me feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna hold you closer. You take me higher when we're together. It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you, I know I need you here. You're around, I want tonight. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise. You're around, I want tonight. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise. Yeah. I don't know how you do it to me, but you make me wanna fly. I'm not coming down. Maybe it's the way you move, babe, move, babe. You've got that body and that smile, make my head spin round. I'll hold you close to me. You're all I want, so stay right here with me.
Oceano. Yeah.
On fire, I know I want you, I know I need you here.
How do you even try?